Hi, good day from Kilstant. Are you planning to build a new bungalow or a new villa or a new building? I'm sure you've heard about termite issues attacking buildings and your properties. Today, we at Kilstant, we're going to introduce to you an Advance Termite Replenishable System. It's an advanced technology. Okay, so we are actually at the site right now. So this system consists of pipes and dispensers, and this system will become a permanent fixture, part of the building. Okay, so we actually install this system for the entire property, the entire site. Okay, so this is the best time to install the system. Why do we install the system? So that in future, you don't need to resort to old methods like drilling holes, damaging your tiles, damaging your floor, just to treat any termite issues. So once we have completed our system installation, as you can see, the system is all done. We will then progress to install these injection points that will be placed on the wall. So these injection points will be housed in a very neat injection box that is made out of either aluminium or plastic covers, and this will be the point where the termiticide or the chemical for termites will be injected. So in future, you don't need to come inside the building, spray, or even, so just come in, very easy, inject, and let the chemical spread underneath. And that is the whole idea and whole concept of this new technology. For more information about our advanced termite system, contact Kilstant at www.kilstant.my, or you can also contact us at 017 6435 634 or 012 910 1501. See you. Thank you.